Hitting the wall. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, hitting the wall. This is a phrase you might hear in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in. Hitting the wall is an idiomatic expression that originated in the world of sports. It describes a point where an athlete, particularly a runner, suddenly finds it difficult to continue due to fatigue. However, in everyday language, it has a broader meaning. Hitting the wall refers to reaching a point of complete physical or emotional exhaustion, where one feels unable to continue with a particular task or activity. It's often used when someone is working on a challenging task and reaches a point where they feel they can't go any further. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In work, I've been working on this project for hours, and I've hit the wall. I need a break. 2. In studies, after studying all night, she hit the wall and couldn't absorb any more information. 3. In personal challenges, he was doing well with his New Year's resolution, but around February, he hit the wall. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various aspects of daily life, not just in sports. When using hitting the wall in conversation or writing, remember it usually conveys a sense of frustration or exhaustion. It's appropriate in informal contexts and can be a way to express empathy or understanding when someone is struggling. Other phrases with similar meanings include burned out, exhausted due to overwork, run out of steam, losing momentum or energy. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and help you express similar feelings in different ways. We hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, hitting the wall, and how to use it in your everyday English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and it's okay to hit the wall sometimes. Take a break, and then keep going. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.